Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert a arrow bullet point in Microsoft Word. So get ready started. At first open your Word document file. Firstly then show the Word document this in this video. Now I can say now insert arrow bullet point. Now select from the text. Now going to the home menu option. Now click for the bullet option. Now for click, then click for the arrow bullet points option. That's it. Then again, now select from the text. Now going to the bullets option. Now click on the arrow bullet points option. That's it. Then show the insert arrow bullet point in Microsoft Word is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.